One of the biggest problems with not having a product data management system in place is that users need to set up their own systems to organize their files and folders, and even use their own criteria to understand what the naming convention should be. This doesn't need to be the case. SOLIDWORKS PDM can help us with this. In SOLIDWORKS PDM, we can configure company-specific revision naming schemes. With PDM's extensive range of capabilities, it is possible to map in-depth alphanumerical revision control schemes and produce unique naming schemes for certain files that are dependent on the document type or project. Also, templates can be used to create a new folder or even a folder structure. We can even associate the name of our folder to a serial number already predefined in our system to ease with organization. And this is how SOLIDWORKS PDM can help us manage files and folders and automate naming conventions.